subcommittee voted unanimously to pass a hike on mortgage insurance for the FHA. Unanimously! That means nobody on either side of the aisle had the vision to see that these MI premiums are frankly getting out of control. I mean, we just saw a jump on the most viable loan option for consumers that already has the highest MI of any loan option, and it's going up again. And nobody on the subcommittee thought it was a bad idea. Now, Frank, how can this not hurt our recovery?
Because they're viewing it as income to avert an FHA bailout. Guys, it's not an income. It's a tax. And I bet if it was labeled as such, that the vote to raise the FHA tax would not have been unanimous. These are politicians cast in the same mold as those that proposed a bill to raise the G fee on Fannie and Freddie loans to clean up the BP oil spill. Yeah, new homeowners pay for the BP mess. But back to the FHA tax.
As we said, if this were labeled as a tax, the vote would not be unanimous. It might pass, but not unanimous, because a vote for a tax hike is political suicide and has consequences. And some on the Hill would see this from a different viewpoint, right? But make no bones about it, they're all spenders, both sides of the aisle. Let's consider this point.
Higher MI hurts the housing market and hurts the economy. The feds have been purchasing bonds to keep rates artificially low on the one hand, and are now raising MI on the other hand. They can raise it, you know why? Because it's not viewed as a tax.
Think about this then. Higher gas prices hurt the recovery.
Right.
We're feeling this right now.
Yeah.
We're hearing this all the time. As we speak, these same politicians on Capitol Hill are looking into tapping America's strategic oil reserves to keep prices down.
Okay.
However, would it also surprise you to know that on an average gallon of gas, after the cost associated with getting it out of the ground, shipping it, refining it, shipping it, selling it, on a gallon of gas, Exxon has about a 2-cent profit.
That's right, a 2-cent profit per gallon. However, taxes on gas nationally, this is all the taxes on gas nationally, average about 48 cents a gallon. That's 48 cents in pure profit to the government versus Exxon's hard-earned net 2 cents profit. Now, I'm not here to argue on behalf of the oil companies, believe me, but if our politicians truly believed higher gas prices would hurt our recovery, they've got the best ability to change that because they have the biggest piece of the pie.
And the same goes for the MI premiums and the G fee increase. If they truly thought, as they say they do, that the housing industry is vital to our recovery, they would not raise the FHA MI tax yet again. If this passes, it will be the second hike, Frank, during our meltdown.
That's right, it's the most counterintuitive, least productive, least reasonable measure that they could take. And with that said,
it was unanimous.
The annual MI could also go up to 2.05% now.
But saying it could go up to 2.05 is like saying the sun could come up tomorrow. It's gonna.
It also sets a minimum of 0.55% for the yearly mortgage insurance.
You're funny. He did say minimum, which in this case, who knows? The sky's the limit. We're just gonna have to wait and see.
And they wonder why real estate agents and mortgage professionals have like the biggest drinking problem on the face of the planet. They wonder. I mean, we're really helping the economy through alcohol sales, for sure.
They tax that too.
They do tax that, you're right. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for free via email over on your right. Double opt-in. Please put on your Facebook. Hey, you can make comments right to Facebook down below now too as well. Share it on Twitter, all that good stuff. Leave us some comments. We'll see you soon. Think big.
Work small.
Later.